For a healthy human being, it's natural to move freely. However, people with limited mobility, or who even suffer from immobility, lose their freedom while falling ill with many health complications. One of the worst cases is pressure injury. It develops when there is prolonged pressure against body skin, especially to bony prominences such as the sacra and heels. Pressure injury can cause severe infection and lead to death, with a mortality rate of 7 to 8%. According to studies, lateral turning and repositioning are effective solutions to the prevention of pressure injuries. For pressure injury precautions, the caregivers need to turn over the patients more than 10 times per day. This frequent and energy-consuming repositioning puts caregivers at risk of multiple musculoskeletal disorders, especially in the lower back and arms, which result in a higher rate of occupational injury. Professional care needs professional help. ProCare Turn Alternating Pressure Redistribution System is designed for professionals. This air mattress is able to significantly lower the risk of pressure injury while helping caregivers facilitate repositioning. With this automatic system, all the patients will be able to receive the best care with consistent quality. A turning point for better patient care. ProCare Turn offers 3-in-1 therapy for effective prevention of pressure injuries. 3-in-1 therapy includes lateral turning therapy, alternating therapy, and continuous low-pressure therapy. During lateral turning therapy, the caregiver can achieve easier repositioning with support from the mattress. ProCare Turn helps facilitate postural drainage, especially for immobile patients. During lateral turning therapy, alternating therapy can be activated simultaneously. This function improves circulation and skin perfusion. When the patient is lying in a horizontal position with alternating therapy, it provides effective pressure relief via selectable cycle time. Continuous low-pressure therapy is also called CLP mode. It can achieve body immersion and envelopment for optimal comfort because a larger skin area will be supported by lower air pressure. Furthermore, Apex nano-positioning pillows can be applied along with the mattress for optimal repositioning. Apex nano-positioning pillows can be placed to release muscle tension and prevent or minimize extremity spasticity, as well as provide protection from any entrapment by bed rails. Under the pressure of high nurse-to-patient ratios, it is critical to ease the burden of caregivers while providing quality care. ProCare Turn provides efficient therapies and significantly lifts the burden on caregivers during repositioning. It helps hospital management save time and resources and reduce expenses. ProCare Turn secures patients' wellness but also caregiver safety with its advanced lateral turning system, which you can rely on. We do not just make devices, we care for your health. ProCare Turn, a turning point for better patient care.